Hey, it's Karolyn. I'm putting some buttercream waves on a cake right now, and I wanted to show you how I do that, so stay tuned so you can see what I do. Okay, so I already started doing this and then realized that I wanted to film it, but this is the effect that I'm going to show you how to get on the cake. This is all buttercream. So what I have here is I have light blue buttercream that I already dyed. It's a little bit of royal blue and then a little bit of white. And what I'm going to do is I have electric blue by AmeriColor. You can use any shade of blue that you want, but this blue matches the name that I already made. So just squeeze a little bit of this in there. And what I'm going to do is mix it around, but not mix it the whole way. So I want some light, medium, and dark colors in the buttercream. So I'm just mixing it to get a nice little variation going on in here. So that looks nice. So now what I'm going to do is take a little bit on the end of my spatula. I have an angled spatula here. And I'm just going to press it against the cake as if it's like waves coming up the cake. And then I can scoop it down. And you just kind of have to take the spatula and maneuver the waves up the cake. And just keep doing that. So I'm going to take a little bit more. This one I want to have a little white on there. And then press it on the cake and down onto the cake board. So it's like I'm pressing in here, so it's kind of like a wave is coming up and then making it a little flatter on the cake board. Scooping it out of here, pressing it against the side of the cake, and then pulling it down. So I'm kind of sticking the spatula in a little bit at the top to make the icing come over it up here like a wave would. And that looks pretty good. Add any more waves as you would want to. And just like that, you're finished. It's a really simple way to get such a pretty effect on the cake. And it's buttercream. So everyone loves buttercream. You can eat these and it's so delicious. There you go. There are your pretty simple buttercream waves. So there you go. There's a pretty simple way to get a cool little ocean buttercream wave effect on your cake. If you have any questions, just leave them below. I'll answer them as soon as I can. Feel free to follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook and on Instagram, and I have my website. And please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.